guys, today I'll be showing all my Nerf guns. Let's get started. Okay, first we got this X-Shot. This one looks cool. This one right here is Fortnite. Guys, now this is Dino Squad Nerf 2. Guys, I don't know this one, but it's Nerf. That one right here, Star Wars. I don't know that one, but that's Nerf gun, but small one. Next, we got this X-Shot. It's a Nerf 2, I think. Got a mini X-Shot. After that, we got a Slingshot. Then we got this one right here. Then we got Nerf Dino Squad again. Now the last one you guys were waiting for. Air Blaster. Like and subscribe. Bye.